Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I am going to be talking about this skin right here. It's no hidden secret that I suffer from acne, and if you click this video, it's probably because you need some help or you need some tips or you're just curious or whatever, but you're here. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and like this video. And let me just get right into the video. First thing I want to do and show you guys, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna be saging the skin, because you know we don't need no negative energy here in this video. Nah, the other day I posted like how good my skin was, and boom, I caught a pimple. One of y'all hating did I just not say that? Like, I just bleeped it out without even editing. So first things first, let me just start by the oral side of things. I do take a food supplement, and I also take birth control. You should definitely consider getting on MacaRoot. This is super bomb. It has great benefits. Literally, I had like 200 count in here, almost gone. This one I have here is the 3-color Maca blend, and it's from the Maca team. They should like hit me up because I recommended this to like mad people. But yeah, so pretty much I'll go ahead and link everything down below. There's 3 different colors, all have different benefits. It's topical, medication wise, this has been super helpful. I would never stop it, and it's just the best thing ever. For the morning, I use a Clindamycin phosphate and a Benzoyl Peroxide gel. It's a combination. It's called NEUAC, in case you guys want to ask for a prescription from your provider, dermatologist, whoever. You can ask for a prescription. Clindamycin is basically a topical antibiotic, and benzoyl peroxide is something in there. I forgot exactly what it is. I think it's a I could be wrong, but anyways, this is very good for cystic acne. So if you get the big ones, painful, red like I do, this is definitely it. I put this on in the morning just because I feel like you going outside, you get like all this pollution, and you just want to keep the face nice, and it's like a barrier for me. So pretty much after my moisturizer and all that stuff, I put this on, and it just makes me feel good. Like it helps with bacteria, so anything that's out there in the air, get it off my skin. Do not let it cause a pimple. I also use a retin-A. This is the 0.1. like I'm at the highest percentage because I've been on this for so long, and you start off low and you just increase as tolerated to nightly. And even if you don't have acne, it's such a great anti-aging medication. Like, who doesn't want to look young? It gives you that brightening, smooth skin texture. But this is my nighttime one. They do sell equivalent over the counter, which used to be prescription, which is called Differin. So I'll go ahead and also link that below. Now let's go with what I use if I do get a cystic spot. Now you want to make sure there's no magic thing to get the pimple to be gone like literally the next day, unless you get like a steroid injection at your dermatologist's office. This has helped me tremendously when I get a pimple and I know it's going to be painful, big. Once I see that pimple coming, I use this Mario Badescu drying lotion. Literally amazing. It literally cuts my pimple time in half, quarter, whatever. It is amazing. And when you get a pimple, you just want to let it run its course. Let it be on its way out. Do not pick at it. Do not pop it. Do not wear makeup over it. Let it be. Let that little human live on your skin. All right, so now let me just show you my wash. Currently the brand that I'm using for everything, my moisturizer, toner, everything is Youth to the People. I currently been using them for about 3 months now, probably. This is the wash. I got a bundle. They have a bundle where you have like dry skin, oily skin in combination. So not necessarily what I have for what I'm using is in like the dry skin set, because the dry skin has like a different moisturizer which is more moisturizing for the skin. But I think they all have the Superfood cleanser in it. So this is the Superfood cleanser. It's kale, green tea, spinach, vitamin Superfood cleanser. It is amazing, the best thing ever. It smells like leafy greens. I love salad. So it's just amazing to me. I wash my face morning and night with this. Nighttime, you know, you give it a good 60 seconds. In the morning, you don't have to really over wash your face, just because you already washed it the night before and you don't really have anything to really wash off. I use this morning and night. This is a brightening serum, hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is super great for the skin elasticity, moisturizing, and just overall it's amazing. So I use this brightening serum right after I wash my face. And right after that, I use my Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. It's kale and spinach, and also contains hyaluronic acid. So I do those three things. So I use the serum, and then I use the moisturizer from Use to the People, and then I'll go ahead and apply my topical Retin-A. Now, on the nights where I feel super dry, because the Retin-A can do that to you, I use a CeraVe skin renewing gel oil, which is super amazing. I only use it once in a while, but this is my go-to whenever my face is feeling super dry. This is like, if you want that nighttime routine look where your face is just like nice and shiny and moisturized, this is a great option for you. But me, I have oily skin. I don't necessarily need all that, you know. It seems like a little bit of a lot, but it's not really a lot. It's just, you know, it's just I'm used to it. Maybe it's like overwhelming for you. But it also came with this face mask. I'm not really like a big fan on face mask. I don't really necessarily see a lot of a difference. I feel like one face mask application is not necessarily you're gonna see a difference, and I feel like with your regimen and your face wash, it's hard to tell whether the face mask is actually doing something or just your overall regimen. So I do this like once a week. It's also a kale spinach superfood mask by Use to the People, which all these things smell like so natural, and like it makes me feel good to know that I'm not putting anything like harsh on my face. And when you're using topical acne medications, you want to make sure that everything is super gentle, because your acne medications are going to dry you up, and you know, sometimes you also have like a purge effect, which brings up the pimples from underneath the skin. But you want to make sure you're super gentle on your skin. All right, so now let's get into the makeup aspect of things, because makeup is truly sometimes a cause of acne. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are wearing makeup, please make sure to wash your face. Do not use a makeup wipe directly on your skin, because the rubbing and the tugging is not good for the acne. It can irritate the skin. Sometimes you get like red, and it just feels, you know, the skin is irritated. Also not good for anti-aging purposes, you know, tugging at the skin and all this stuff. It just could give you wrinkles, and we don't want that. So I used to use the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, which pretty much you just like it is, you take it, you put it on your face, it literally melts all your makeup off, literally, and then you can pass the wipe. So it makes it much more easier to remove the makeup without like tugging and doing all this stuff and trying to wipe. It's not good. As of recently, y'all, this is the best thing that was ever invented, is the One Size Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist by Patrick Starr. I'm gonna be using this forever. This is like the best thing ever, because it's not messy. You just spray it on, it's super thin, it doesn't drip. You literally put it on, it stays on your face, and it just melts all your makeup away, and then you can just go ahead and pass the wipe. I do also have the one size go off makeup remover wipes, but you can use any wipe. But literally going forward, I'm going to be using this versus the Take the Day Off Balm by Clinique, because it's just super messy. You put it on, you have to rub it in, and then you have to go get a wipe, and it's just like it leaves makeup everywhere. It's just super messy, super annoying. So the one size makeup dissolver mist is the best thing ever. So I feel like it's pretty much like a good double cleanse, because you do the makeup dissolver, you use the wipe, then you wash your face, and then I also go in with the toner. Literally all these steps you want to do, just because I will do the makeup dissolving mist, then the wipes, wash my face. When I do the toner, I'll still have dirt on my face. So double cleansing is so important. The only time I use the toner is whenever I do wear makeup. If I'm not wearing makeup at all for a week, I use the toner like 2 to 3 times a week at night, and I don't like overdo it. This one is also by Youth to the People, which is a kombucha plus 11% AHA exfoliation power toner. It's lactic, glycolic, black tea, and tree bark, which doesn't irritate my skin, doesn't burn my skin. And you just want to take it very easy on toners, because toners can sometimes cause, like, you know, excessive dryness or like irritation on the skin, especially when you're using acne medications. So now I also want to give you guys some tips on how to also avoid acne on top of your regimen, because it's super important. As of recently, you want to make sure that, you know, with the whole situation going on, you want to make sure if you are using a reusable mask, you want to make sure that you wash your mask as often as you can. So I know sometimes I put on makeup and the makeup gets on it. You have to wash it. You have to wash your mask. I don't know who needs to hear this, but you need to wash your mask, okay? Make sure you wash your bed sheets, make sure you wash your pillowcase, and, you know, try to wash them more often than you would a quilt, or, you know. Anyways, now another good thing I've started doing as of recently, which helped a lot, is I started using disposable towelettes to dry my face. I got this on Amazon. It came like for a pack of 2. Super amazing. So it literally opens up, it's dry, and you just, after I wash my face, I just pat dry, and then literally boom, in the garbage. So it's not building up bacteria. Disposable, you're using a new one each time, and it's just super important because your towel collects so much bacteria. You do not want to use the same towel as, you know, your body. If you are using a towel, have a separate towel for your face. Always pat dry, never rub on the face, and make sure you're cleaning your towel like 3 times a week, because after one use, like, literally the bacteria builds up, especially if you keep it in the bathroom, if you don't hang it up right, and it has that funky smell if it's not dried up correctly. It's just, you know, disgusting. Also, you want to make sure you're cleaning your makeup brushes, cleaning your beauty blenders and things like that. You don't have to do it like after each application, but definitely clean your brushes and clean your beauty blenders and anything that goes on your face. Also, make sure you're washing your hands before you wash your face or do anything, or applying your moisturizer. And I think that is about it. And one more thing, guys, don't forget to sage your face, honey. Sage your face. Anyways, y'all, I hope this video was helpful. I hope I'm able to help somebody. But yeah, pretty much that is it for my skincare routine. Also, I do have a video on how I exfoliate my skin. That's usually what I do in replacement of like face masks, because you need that exfoliation. You don't want to overdo it. I do it like once every week or once every 2 weeks. So I'll go ahead and link that video here in this video of me exfoliating on acne prone skin. Super helpful video. amazing. And yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload a new video.